Apple is known for its innovative technology and sleek designs. As we approach March 2025, rumors are swirling about the upcoming MacBook Air models featuring the new M4 chip. These updates are expected to enhance performance and offer new features. In today's video, we'll explore the anticipated design, features, performance, and pricing of the rumored MacBook Air M4. So without further ado, let's get started. The MacBook Air received a major redesign in 2022, moving to a flatter and more modern look similar to the MacBook Pro. This design introduced a 13.6-inch display with thinner bezels and improved portability. In 2023, Apple introduced a larger 15.3-inch model, offering more screen space for users who needed it. According to reports, the MacBook Air M4 will not introduce any major design changes. Instead, Apple is expected to keep the same thin and lightweight chassis. The laptop will continue to be available in two sizes, 13.6 inches and 15.3 inches. It will also likely retain its aluminum body, MagSafe charging, and color options, including silver, space gray, starlight, and midnight. Apple's MacBook Air models currently feature a liquid retina display, known for its vibrant colors and sharp visuals. The screen will support True Tone technology, which adjusts the color temperature based on ambient lighting. This feature makes viewing more comfortable and natural. For the MacBook Air M4, Apple is expected to keep the same high-quality display. However, there may be minor improvements in brightness and color accuracy. While some users were hoping for a promotion, 120Hz display, current reports indicate that the M4 model will stick to a standard 60Hz refresh rate. This means smoother scrolling and animations may not be included in the MacBook Air lineup yet. The biggest upgrade in the new MacBook Air is the introduction of Apple's M4 chip. Apple has been moving all of its Mac devices to its custom silicon, and the M4 chip will bring even better speed and efficiency. The MacBook Air M4 is expected to feature a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, similar to the base model of the 14-inch MacBook Pro. This means it will be much faster than the current M2 and M3 versions, making it great for tasks like video editing, graphic design, and multitasking. Additionally, the M4 chip is rumored to come with improved neural engine capabilities, making AI-driven tasks like photo and video editing even smoother. The laptop might also feature 16GB RAM as the base option, allowing users to run multiple applications without slowdowns. Another exciting feature is support for two external displays. In previous models, MacBook Air could only connect to one external monitor. The M4 version will likely remove this limitation, making it more attractive for professionals using multiple screens. Battery life is one of the MacBook Air's strongest features, thanks to Apple's energy-efficient chips. The M4 chip is expected to improve power efficiency further, giving users even longer battery life. Currently, the M3 MacBook Air offers up to 18 hours of battery life. Depending on software optimizations and power management improvements, the M4 model could extend this to around 20 hours or more. This means users can work, stream, or browse the internet all day without needing to charge their laptops frequently. Apple usually offers a range of storage options for its MacBook Air models, starting at 256GB and going up to 2TB. The MacBook Air M4 is expected to maintain these storage choices, allowing users to pick the best option based on their needs. The use of fast SSD storage will continue, ensuring quick boot times and smooth application performance. Users who need more space for files, videos, or large applications may want to opt for the 512GB or 1TB versions. The MacBook Air M4 will likely have the same ports as the current models. This means it should have two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, a MagSafe charging port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. It will probably also support Wi-Fi 6E for faster internet and better performance in crowded places. Bluetooth 5.2 is expected too, making it easy to connect wireless headphones and keyboards. The MacBook Air M4 will come with macOS Sequoia 15.2, the latest version of Apple's operating system. This update will bring new features, improved security, and better overall performance. macOS Sequoia is expected to have improved integration with iPhones, iPads, and Apple Watches, making it easier to switch between devices. Users can also expect updates to Siri, new privacy settings, and more AI-powered features that take advantage of the M4 chip. The price of a new laptop is always important. Apple hasn't said how much the MacBook Air M4 will cost, but we can guess based on older models. The MacBook Air M3 starts at $1,099. For the smaller 13.6-inch version and $1,299 for the bigger 15.3-inch one. The M4 might have a similar price, but it could be $50 to $100 more because of better hardware. This means the 13.6-inch model might start at $1,149, $1,199, and the 15.3-inch one could be $1,349 or higher. Multiple sources indicate that Apple is preparing to launch the MacBook Air M4 in March or April 2025. Apple is reportedly clearing out stock of older MacBook Air models, which indicates that a new release is near. The MacBook Air M4 will likely be the first major Mac product launch of 2025, followed by updates to the Mac Studio and Mac Pro later in the year. The MacBook Air M4 is shaping up to be an exciting upgrade, featuring Apple's powerful M4 chip, improved performance, and support for multiple external displays. While the design may remain the same, the internal upgrades make this model a strong contender for anyone looking for a high-performance, lightweight laptop. With an expected release in March 2025 and a price range similar to the M3 version, the MacBook Air M4 is likely to be a popular choice among students, professionals, and casual users alike. If you're planning to buy a new MacBook Air, it might be worth waiting a little longer for the latest model. So that was all about the MacBook Air M4 rumored specs and price leaks. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, then don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know your thoughts about the MacBook Air M4 in the comment below.